Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody's doing well. So this is a free indicator that you can find on your MT4 or MT5 platform. It is known as a trend indicator. The name of the indicator is known as an Ichimoku Kinko Hayo indicator. The levels, you keep them standard. You have your Tenkan-sen, your Kijun-sen, right? Those are like EMAs, your moving averages. And then you got your Chico span. Chico span is there to identify if it's a strong sell trend or strong buy trend. Sorry, strong uptrend or strong buy trend, right? I just made them no color because they make my chart look a bit busy. My up Kumo, make it green because market goes up, buy, down, I make it red, right? So those are the values, right? So now we show you what it does, right? So this is on the hour time frame. Let's just see. So it's a red cloud over here. So as you can see over here, it's under the cloud and the market's been selling. And this is on the hour time frame. So now that the market broke the cloud over here, as you can see, this is on the hour. It's a strong buy trend. So main thing is when you are trading, you need to identify the trend, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, and this tool can help you with that, right? So now that you know, for example, it is in a uptrend, it broke structure. Let's say you may be looking for a entry point. So now, what's happening here? Okay, cool. So let's say we're looking for an entry point over here. What I would have done is, let's just say, for example, not going to be accurate. I didn't really get to work my way back, but I'm just going to go to my Fibonacci tool. Let's just say we take it from the low to the high, right? So yeah, let's say it's approaches 61.8. You go to a lower time frame, you check, looks like out of entry it came close to the 61.8 as a rejection. It's above the cloud. You got in on your trade, and as you can see over here, so you bought here, or you even bought, you didn't buy here, market pushed up 61.8, went to 0, came down, you saw the spinning top at the 38.2 rejection. You know you're looking for buys because it's above the Ichimoku cloud, identifies buy trend. So you get in over there, market pushes up, comes back down to entry, pushes up, still respects, and eventually smashes you, take profit. So it does nicely help you identify the trend. So now you continue, cool. So now as you can see over here, it's been retesting up and down the cloud. You obviously need to backtest it to identify when it is going to be a good time for you to identify when it's a buy trend and a sell trend. For me, all of those over here on the left was consolidating up and down. You can see it's a green cloud, a red cloud. Wasn't really a strong move. But once you saw this double top occur over here, market broke down and it pushed up for the retest. Cool, now you know you were looking for sells. So let's say you want to get in on that first move. As you can see, I think it makes the red cloud a few periods in advance or behind. I do speak under correction. Don't know all the technical terms, but let's just see. We take out our Fibonacci tool again. Let's take one out here. Let's say so we make it from the high to the low. It's not going to be accurate because I'm using my phone. I don't have a way to really do it on my PC. Let's just say that over there. Cool. So as we can see again, made a double top, came down, pushed up for the retest, 61.8 under the cloud. Sell trend, you're looking for sells. Even if you sold at the 38.2, you'd have had a drawback, and then the market fell down and you smash, you take profit. And because it's under the cloud, you know you're always looking for sells. So if you want to get in on a lower time frame, you can get in on a smaller trade. You know you're looking for sells on a specific trade, and this is on crash 1000 or crash 500. So just an example of the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo cloud. Can be a very useful tool if you need something for confluence to help you identify, whether you're in an uptrend or downtrend. It's a good confluence tool because as you can see over here again, broke below, and this is on the hour, so it fell nicely on the hour, right? Even over here, it broke above the cloud, came down for the retest, pushed up, right? But it eventually broke. But even if you got in on a buy, could have still made profit above the cloud. Yeah, it sold and it's on the hour, so either way you would have still been making profit, and it shot up. You just need to find a way to implement it into whatever strategy that you are currently using. But out of all the tools that I've tried, and the one that I don't even use moving averages or stuff like that, for me it's just a trend tool that can help you identify when it's an uptrend or downtrend, as Confluence is very useful for you with whatever strategy you are currently using, in my opinion. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you did find it helpful and you weren't aware about the Ichimoku Kinko IO, right, there are videos you can watch on YouTube to give you a better understanding on how to use them. You can find them on your phone and on your PC. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you watched it to the end, kindly leave a like. I would appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a good day further.